Good morning, boys and girls. I just wanted to... Finn wants to say good morning. Foster and Finn and I are going to be doing a science experiment that has to do with matter later today, which we have been learning about. Also, we had to set up school in one of our playrooms, so don't mind the mess behind me. But I wanted to tell you the materials that you would need to do it yourself at home. So if you do have these things, you can do it too. You would just need an empty water bottle, a balloon, vinegar, and baking soda, a funnel. If you have one, you could probably do it without a funnel, but it'll be a little bit harder. And a cookie sheet to do the experiment on so you don't make a big mess. So if you have those things at home, you'll be able to do it with us. If not, no big deal. You'll just get to watch us. I miss you so much, and I hope you're working really hard and listening to your moms and dads and not giving them a hard time about doing your schoolwork. I cannot wait to see you again. I love you all.